Friends, yesterday we discussed the ozone layer. Ozone, that is the allotrope of oxygen. Today, as of now, I am taking up the destruction of ozone. What are the main causes of destruction of ozone layer in our atmosphere? Then number one is the chlorofluorocarbons. Chlorofluorocarbons, actually, these are the chemicals, very harmful chemicals for the health of the atmosphere. Okay. Then these chlorofluorocarbons, these are spray cans. These are used. Chlorofluorocarbon is used in spray cans and refrigerators as refrigerants. Refrigerants enables the refrigerator to do its work properly. Without a refrigerant, your refrigerator is not going to give you any result. So that is very necessary ingredient, that is the of the refrigerator, and that is termed as refrigerants. Refrigerant. These refrigerants, these are actually CFS, chlorofluorocarbons. They damage the atmosphere very badly. And once more, the spray cans, in spray cans and refrigerants, CFS, that is chlorofluorocarbons, are widely used, which are damaging the ozone layer. Second, the radioactive substances. You know very well that the power is being produced by setting up, the nuclear plants. Okay, the world is getting power, electricity out of these plants, but what is happening? That is damaging the ozone layer very badly. But we cannot stop. The countries cannot stop this drive, because power is very necessary to sustain industrial growth, and other things. So that is also an evil, but that is a necessary evil, means nuclear plants, where uranium, thorium, etc. are used. And what is happening? The uranium, thorium, as they are used in the nuclear plants and in other various activities, explosions and trials, nuclear trials, what is happening? Nitrous oxide is produced. That nitrous oxide escapes into the stratosphere, and finally it damages the ozone layer. That is the second major cause of destruction or depletion of ozone layer. And the third one is, the air pollution. There are several reasons for air pollution, like smog. As we know about the notorious London smog, that was highly, the controversial, the smog, London smog, that is termed as London smog. Apart from that, what happens? Chernobyl, some years ago, Chernobyl nuclear disaster took place, and that nuclear disaster was the worst one in the human history, in the nuclear energy, history of nuclear energy, but that damaged the ozone layer. And then, I talked about the Chernobyl, and then Bhopal tragedy in 82 or 83, that happened in Madhya Pradesh, Bharat, that is India. And that Bhopal tragedy was also responsible for the large scale destruction of the ozone layer. So these are the things. Smog is there in atmosphere, and that is the result of, that is a kind of pollution that is also damaging the ozone layer. So these are the major causes which are responsible for the depletion of the ozone layer. As of now, it is okay. In the next turn, I will take up other things, and I will move on to the greenhouse effect, and finally the global warming. Thank you very much.